What do the viewers want my face to say? My favorite part of the destination is the cat cafe we're going to tomorrow. We've been driving so long, Mark has requested some sploosh douche. That would probably make you feel more alert. Next time I'm recommending an enema for a child, the whole thing.
Run them through the sploosher.
My assessment is this is a 4-year-old male with chronic constipation. My plan would be sploosh douche. Some normal saline sploosh douche.
Step to the border.
The big sombrero. How does it stack up to Charlottesville barbecue? Like, would you say that was toward the top?
Yeah,
if you had
very
to put
much
it in
so.
a list of Charlottesville barbecue, would it be toward the top or the bottom?
Very much towards the top. It was really good barbecue.
Like the top?
I don't know about the top. That's a pretty hard bar to meet.
Did you decide if you liked the burger better or the sandwich?
I don't know. Maybe the burger, honestly.
It was really good.
It was so good. Yeah.
There we go, home team. That is so good. It's like monkey bread, but with like a little fruity tang at the end. What did we get?
We got the ham, cheese, and brie
I think the brie is the cheese.
on shower gel. Yeah.
So I feel like we're on Bowser's Infinite Stairway in Super Mario 64. Where you just keep running. And the only thing that will get us out is backwards long jumps. If you arrange these in chronological order, there's going to be a weird portion of the day that was all in slow-mo.
Are you filming this in slow-mo?
It's just really silly that they made a whole statue because one time Washington came here and another time he wrote about it in his diary. And really in the diary, all he said was at the concert he went to, there were at least 400 ladies, the number and appearance of which exceeded anything of the kind I had ever seen. So his complimentary note about Charleston was that there were a lot of pretty girls. That's their slice of Washington. I'm getting a shot that emphasizes his longness. He actually runs the business.
Oh no! Sorry, Rocket. How was it?
So fun and stuffy. We were naked. Casual. I can't visualize it. I have no idea what I would do. Definitely not part of the or one of the 3 outfits I brought for this trip.
Look at this long line of receipts. No one wants to take like 10 receipts.
I guess. Google Maps directed us to go across the bridge, turn around, go right here on the bridge, and then it did the little like dotted line thing to walk across. You can't do that! That was terrible.
Burning daylight, that's my dad would say.
We'll start filming. How did you like your pure drone flight experience?
I lost signal multiple times.
I was scared. We couldn't see it for most of the time.
It kind of just blacked out and said, do you want it to land?
Yeah.
And I'm like, actually, no, I'm good. There's a lot of water around.
There's mostly water over there.
Over there and over there. So yeah.
Water and cars.
I'm glad with the shots I got. I'm really glad this pier exists. Glad we stopped where we did. Overall, fun experience.
I always think you're being incredibly dramatic about your hair.
I mean, it's like, oh,
That's not gonna be...
And then right here, it got pitted.
And turn up on my neck, like turtleneck.
Go back.
It looks like a snack. What are your thoughts on the snack?
Good. Good snack.
The most ridiculous looking sandwich I've ever seen.
It's absurd. It's so
It's
absurd.
just a pile wearing a hat.
I'm gonna feel like a pile wearing a hat soon
Yeah.
here.
Tell the people at home what happened.
But the plan tonight was we were gonna go to this early kind of like drinks and appetizers, and then the nice meal will be after that. And then we're like, why don't we just go back to the same restaurant which we were at last night, which is Home Team, which is fantastic, by the way. We flipped a coin virtually because we don't have coins in our car.
No.
And it was even, which meant we were going to Home Team, which we were both...
We flipped a coin and it was even.
Oh, wow. Random number.
You know, when your coin is even.
You know, when heads was even.
I wanted us to be able to dance along to that song, but it was playing on my phone.
We can still dance.
Why did someone just walk by, seeing both of us holding up, filming
You
each
can't
other?
see my cat sticker. Oh. This is how I film. So DPS wanted us to get back, to go across the bridge, turn around over there, and get back on the bridge, stop, and then walk here. So dumb.
Maybe we should shoot all our videos like this.
I can see every pore.
That's not good. I don't need to see every
I
pore.
can see every little hair.
I don't need to see every little hair. Stop. It's too much. It's too much. What are you doing? God, this wasn't staged. I had this really nice card. A little walkway up to the bathroom. Very nice, kind of like lofted bed area. It just seems like they've like really thought this through.
Love you guys. Bye. Bye, Charleston.
Goodbye.
This is a terrible shot. You can't see anything.
Goodbye, Crane.
It just looks like goodbye, barrier wall.
We're full of biscuits and gravy.
So much gravy. It's so gross.
But it was delectable.